This week I made this clock out of pallet wood, and if you want to know how I did it, then watch the rest of the video. Thank you for watching. I've got these 10 pieces of wood and I glued them together and added some biscuits in between at these various places. So there's loads of biscuits. I wanted to practice doing biscuit jointing for another project, so that's the reason why there's so many biscuits on here. So that worked out well. So I'm just going to cut the circle out now using my router. I'm going to stick these numbers on at various places, which I did in Inkscape. So these ones are obviously the 4 main positions, and these ones are for the ones in between. So let's get started. Well, actually that was way harder than I thought it was going to be. I've actually managed to mark this here as well, so I may have to incorporate that into one of these, I think, and we'll get rid of most of that into there. So not such a big issue. Quite a tussle with the old router, but it looks okay. It looks nice and round, which is what I wanted. Nice big round clock. So this was going to go into my garage, so I can tell the time in there because I don't wear a watch in the garage. But when I brought it in, my son said, "Is that going in my new house?" So I think I'm going to have to make another one for the garage. So it will get finished when we decide what the colour is going to be of his table. I'm going to make him a new table for in there as well. So we'll match them up and we'll make them look okay when we finish that. So stick around for that video. It should be coming out in the not too distant future.